Somewhere in Italy, there are letters no living person can read. They were typed 200 years ago, on a machine that shouldn't exist yet. 1808. Countess Carolina Fantoni is going blind. Her lover, Pellegrino Turi, locks himself in his workshop and builds something the world won't reinvent for another 60 years. A typewriter. Not for commerce, not for speed, so she can write letters no servant has to transcribe. Letters only he will touch.
I press your keys and my words belong to no one but us.
When Carolina dies, the machine disappears completely. But 16 of her letters survive, typed in a private cipher the two of them invented together. 2 centuries later, the letters sit in archives in Reggio Emilia. Perfectly preserved, permanently silent, love letters that outlasted every hand that could have opened them.